Welcome to GTech Designs. This episode we will be assembling assemblies of SA307, SA306, Part 341 and 342 to assemble boiler safety and boiler whistle assemblies. Let's get assembling. Alright, so let's open File, New, Assembly MNGS. So we want first piece be SA307, SA307. Put that one there. Okay, so now we want also let's see, SA306. We'll put that one here. 306. Now we've got parts. So go on that one, parts. Where are we? 341, 342. Three, 41 and 42. Yep. So they go open up. That one there. That one there. Okay, so now this part here will go inside there. So that may, let's check something. Before we do, let me do a quick save. Okay, so mate, this, let's see how this goes. This piece, that face there to that face. Looks like that may work. Okay, excellent. So now we want, we do that circle. No, it's actually a face. Do you want a face? Clear that. Actually, that circle with this circle. There you go. Actually, I think that worked. Yep. It actually screws right in there perfectly. That's touching the face. It's not going in. Let me just zoom in. Oh, there. Oh, I think something's not right. Hold on, let me check something. Oh, not that one. Thank you. Let me go to normal. Let me zoom into there and go into not that one, sorry, that one. Nope, that seems to be right. Okay, it seems to be right in there. The measurements are right. Just went back, checked them. Let me check something. Let me go down to, where are we? Let me do that one. Let me just delete that one for a moment. Oh, that's right. Oh, I'm seeing the thread there. Okay, that's why. Okay, let me just undo. There we go, got it back. Okay, I'm seeing the thread there. That's, I was thinking the hole was showing. That's fine. That actually worked out good. Okay, but also too, we can still rotate this, which we don't want. But we want to go that face with that face. There we go. Beautiful. Now, this handle here, or this, sorry, not handle, this part here, go, we're on, yeah, we're on, mate. That face with that face. But it's got to be spun around. Let me just move that a minute. Now, this circle, can we do this? to... Nope, not that one. Sorry. Oh, they've got two faces. They want two faces. What? I can't do that. Okay, let me do actually that. We can't take that. Heck. We just go out that. Okay, let me just go out that. Thank you. Let me try again. Sometimes it bugs up, just go out and go back into it. There we go, that worked. And do that. Nope. Delete that one. There we go. Let's circle there because it's got to be the same center. So that one's done, but we want this one around this way. And this is going to be, this face will equal that face. And done. Weird there, but it's right. There you go, and that's against there. All that face and that face will touch too. So this thing probably will go on here before this goes in there when you're building it. Okay, that's done. Now let me make the next one. We want this hole. We'll go that hole, but I want it flip. There we go. Yep, that's it. Right, that face to that face. Beautiful. Now that part is going to touch that part. Nope, can't do it. Oh, yeah, because it's going to be flat, flat. Okay, if we go that one, but no, I can't do. There we go. Let's just put it manually because that is movable. So assembly SA314 done. This is going as parts for the boiler and that. So what's it? The boil safety valve top cover. So it's a safety valve assembly. Boil whistle lever. So that's a whistle lever. So it's safety. So it's like several things at once. So that's that assembly done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.